Hey guys, welcome back. This is your friend Ram, and today we're going to talk about ChatGPT. This is a very hot topic in the market. Many people are talking about ChatGPTs, what it is, why people are so excited about ChatGPTs, why so many companies are so excited to get the benefits out of the ChatGPTs, and why many companies are still adversely getting affected by ChatGPT. So we're going to cover about the ChatGPT's benefits, its limitations, and how to use it. So first thing, what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is just a natural language processing tool, which is driven by AI technology enables that human-like conversations. As you know, we are already familiar with a couple of the tools that was published before, and there are so many things in IT industry which are already in the market, which can communicate like human, and which can understand the natural languages. But the capabilities of ChatGPT is really big. I mean, it's really advanced. It helps in answering your questions, like writing emails, writing your codes. For the developers, it is really, really beneficial. I mean, any developers can take benefit out of it. Actually, it was developed by OpenAI, which is a research laboratory which is based in San Francisco, California. And this is one of the AI language models. There's nothing called like ChatGPT. If you go to ChatGPT and search for the ChatGPT, it says that there's no products like ChatGPTs, but people are calling it chat GPT. Actually, it is AI based open AI. It's open AI natural language processing tool. And this is one of the AI language models which is developed by the OpenAI research laboratories. I'll cover rest of the things in the next video. Keep on watching. We'll see you soon.